Hello, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. I'm Dr. Amy Starr with the Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mobile Veterinary Services, and San Francisco Stables. This week I wanted to talk to you about senior health. So, what are you worried about in your senior pet? Obviously, in cats, dogs, horses, any of the animals, as they get older, they tend to start having problems just like we do as humans. Things like arthritis, dental health, kidney disease, liver disease, hearing problems, sight problems, all of these are concerns. So just like you would think of any human and some of the things that they go through as they get older, our pets go through as well. And unfortunately, since our pets don't tend to live 100 years like a human can, those things happen a lot faster, so we need to be aware of them, we need to keep up with them, and we need to start thinking about senior years. In dogs about 6 to 8 years old, we're thinking about getting them their little senior citizen card. Cats tend to be more about 12 to 15, and then horses also around 15 to 20. So just depending on the breed, start thinking about those things and let us know if you have any concerns. When you bring your senior pet in, discuss with us any concerns that you may have about arthritis or any of the things that I mentioned. So one by one, let's go over them a little bit. Arthritis obviously is extremely common in all animals, including humans. And it can be very debilitating. It can decrease the quality of life. It can make it harder for them to get around. People can do simple things such as place carpet runners in their house. It's very difficult for dogs to get up on tile floor when they're arthritic. Give them nice cushioned beds in the winter time. Maybe give them a little heated bed. Be careful with heating pads. Those can get too hot and can actually cause burns. But things like that are very good. Please do not use aspirin in your senior pets. Long-term aspirin can have other effects that we want to stay away from, and it's just not as good as some of the actual vet products that we can give you. Bring your pet in for an exam. We can do x-rays and do an orthopedic exam, kind of see where the arthritis is, how severe it is, and go from there. There are several levels of care that we can give to arthritic pets, starting with just simple products such as Daysequin. Daysequin is a prescription product that contains glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, ASU, all of the good stuff, and it's good for your pet. It's prescription, it's FDA approved, so you're getting what you're actually paying for, instead of trying to choose from the thousands of over-the-counter products. And from there we would go up. Next, talking about dental care. Obviously, we talk about dental care a lot because it goes unnoticed in a lot of pets, but dental care as the pet gets older is extremely important. Keeping up with that dental health, keeping the teeth clean, healthy, brushed, all of that can really extend the life of your pet. Give them many more years than they might have if they have severe dental disease, and make them more comfortable. They're able to eat better. They don't have sores or discomfort in their mouth. So extremely important. We don't want all that bacteria to go to their organs and their heart and decrease their lifespan. Hearing, a lot of our senior pets do lose their hearing. It's very difficult for us to actually do a hearing test like a person would get, but we can start telling the difference if they're not responding when we call to them, things like that. Not a lot you can do about that. Just make sure that you bring them in every 6 months. Seniors should get exams every 6 months to make sure that things are going well, and let us do an ear exam and just make sure that there's no other problems. Sometimes we find little ticks or grass-ons down in the ear that's affecting the hearing that you may never know about until we examine. Sight. Geriatric pets oftentimes get cataracts. They can also get more severe problems such as glaucoma and things like that. So again, if you're seeing any change at all in the eye, please make sure you come in for an eye exam, or if you just think that they're losing their sight, let us take a look and we'll give you some information. Organ failure, obviously it's very common in everybody, so the earlier we check, the better. We recommend blood work at least every year to check that and catch it early so that we can manage it. Right now, August is Senior Pet Awareness, and so we do have discounts on both senior blood work as well as our senior plans. Our senior plans include dentals every year. They also include x-rays, which are really important because x-rays are able to help us check for early heart disease as well as for tumors and stuff like that coming up in the chest and the abdomen. So annual x-rays are really important as well. And those are some of the main things that we're concerned about with seniors. If you have any other concerns or questions, bring them up to us. Let us discuss that with you and take better care of your pet. Remember, we're a team and our overall goal is the health and comfort of your pet. We also have flyers. I just picked kind of a couple here. So some flyers that can give you more information. If you have any questions, please let us know. All right, have a great week and thank you for staying tuned. Bye-bye.